The pen tool in Photoshop is like a digital pen. It lets you create precise lines and shapes. This is important for many things. You can make selections that are very accurate. You can create paths for drawing. You can even make complex shapes with ease. Learning the pen tool is essential for any Photoshop user. It gives you more control over your work. Whether you want to cut out an image, create a design, or draw digitally, the pen tool is your friend. Once you learn the pen tool, you will be able to do more in Photoshop. You can use it for photo editing, graphic design, and digital art. The pen tool works by creating paths. Paths are made of anchor points and lines. You click to add an anchor point, then you click again to add another point and a line between them. You can create straight lines or curved lines. To make a curve, you click and drag. This creates handles on your anchor point. Handles let you control the curve of the line. There are different types of anchor points. Corner points make sharp angles. Smooth points create curves. You can switch between them as you work. Let's create a simple shape with the pen tool. First, open a new document in Photoshop. Then select the pen tool from the toolbar. Now click on your canvas to create the first anchor point. Click again to add another point and a line. To create a curve, click and drag. You will see handles appear. Adjust the handles to get the curve you want. Continue adding points and lines to complete your shape. When you're done, click back on the first point to close the path. Now you have a shape. Using the pen tool can be tricky at first. Here are some common mistakes to avoid. Placing too many anchor points. This can make your shapes look bumpy. Use fewer points for smoother curves. Not using handles correctly. Handles control the curve of the line. Experiment with them to get the shape you want. Not closing your paths. Make sure to click back on the first point to close the path. This will create a complete shape. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you use the pen tool, the better you will become.